Hey! We cried, oh, everywhere, everything. Wanna love you, to put food for the worms to eat, till our fingers decompose. Keep my hand in yours. Everywhere, everything. Wanna love you, to put food for the worms to eat, till our fingers decompose. Keep my hand in yours.
We're at our last stop before the camp. Camp's only 20 minutes away. You're probably wondering what we're doing out here. This is Evergreen.
Right here?
We set up these tents.
Yeah.
Keep my hand in yours.
Okay.
So we have 10 up right now. So it's 8. So I guess
Air quality. There goes. Where is it? Where is it? Oh. Yeah. That stuff is spreading like wildfire.
go grab a bar.
I splashed this hot coffee on you for filming me.
Are you recording?
No.
Sometimes the women here get really mad because they think we're sexist. Because we're like, go tape the ACs. Girls do girl stuff. Men do the real work. But if you work at Evergreen, you play your role as a female.
I don't have the keys. I'm just kidding. So who's driving? Say your video a lot. Oh, that's lit. All right, we gotta get back to water, dude.
I know, guys, we have a floaty now.
Yeah. Big. That's a nice towel too.
Well,
That
I
looks
didn't
exactly
get it.
like the one in the thrift shop.
Not at all, but yeah.
It was. You gotta dive like jump like this. That's great, dude.
It's like cool.
I took some of your candy. These are very good. It's like a raspberry.
Strangely nostalgic.
If there's diabetes, raspberry.
You made the vlog.
I made
Wait,
the
guys,
vlog.
guys.
Congrats.
If you're here,
Who's taking care of the grass?
That's no.
is he filming?
Yeah, he is.
Stop filming.
Dude. I got an idea.
Finishing up for the day, the 11th yurt. And then tomorrow morning we're gonna finish it off with 120 over in Main Street. And then we're back to Idaho. And we're free. Home of the potatoes. So this is you.
I was so confused.
What's up? Oh, what's up? So another update. Me and Liam here just finished staking every single dang tent in the Elmo, or no, Anaconda, wherever we were. And then we're just gonna go to sleep and wake up in 8 hours and set up the last 20.
That was amazing.
You're dirty, so it looks so rough and good.
Do a 0.5.
Oh, 0.5 of the.
See, that's no, because it is a sharp end.
No.
We don't have to
sharp.
imagine.
It could be anyone. It could be just like, what does it matter? Oh, you're right. It literally could just be. What if it was a dude and it was girls that invented it? No, it probably was another dude. It's probably another dude.
Rachel! Rachel! This is really bad. Bad news going down right now. Yeah.
Ooh.
I'm not buying anything here.
Okay, so we're going. See ya, Nate. See ya. Back in Boise at Mr. Gas, and then we're heading out in the morning. It's all part of the job, though.
Come along with me, and the butterflies and bees. We can wander through the forest and do so as we please. Come along with me to a cliff under a tree, where we can gaze upon the water as an everlasting dream. All of my collections, I'll share them all with you. Maybe by next summer we won't have changed our